Is calling 2021 CR 8420 State of Texas versus Leticia Solis. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state,
U.S. Court, State of Texas.
for the defense? And are you Leticia Solis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Solis, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Solis, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
I did, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her? Do
Yes, Your Honor.
you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Solis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I have, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $0 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's restitution of $1,800 to Investments LLC. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I did, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There will be 120 hours of community service restitution and no contact with Investments LLC. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
I did, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. Did you understand that that's outside the plea bargain agreement
Yes,
and that the court does not have to follow that agreement?
I do agree.
All right. Then to the offense as charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, the state moves to admit what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1 into evidence and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Solis, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just Your Honor, we have support to respectfully follow the plea bargain agreement, Judge. Originally, we were trying to come up with restitution for a dismissal in this case. My client has had several financial hardships. This offense date is back from in 2018, Judge. She has done immensely since then, Judge. She was employed with Midwest Energy Group from 2019 to 2021. She's done a year and a half of college. She was enrolled to and about to graduate as a journeyman electrician before she was incarcerated on this warrant, Judge. So we're just respectfully requesting that you follow the plea bargain.
All right, where are you going to be living?
At my mother's house.
Does she want you there?
Yes.
Have you asked?
No, I haven't.
See, why do people think that their parents want them at their home without asking? Oh, is that your mom behind you?
Yes, it is.
Mom, do you want her at your house? Okay, let the record reflect that her mom is saying that she wants her at the house. Mom, I don't want to put anybody in your house unless you specifically tell me it's okay. Okay, all right. So thank goodness she's here, because I would have been like, yeah, we got to call your mom. All right, so I'm going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, restitution of $1,800 to Investments LLC, and no contact with Investments LLC. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide the proof of a COVID vaccination. I'm not requiring that, but if you haven't, you can provide it to them and 40 hours will be deducted. You're to obtain your license if you're going to be a journeyman.
Yes.
Obtain your license, and if you provide that to probation, then the rest of your community service hours will be waived. I can say with the deferred adjudication, any occupation that requires a license, they will look at that. So I'm not saying you won't get your certificate or your license, but it may be a little bit difficult. So if you obtain her certificate or license, then waive the remaining of the community service hours. You're welcome. We're going to do regular UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And I'm going to help you out. I know what I'm about to do is going to seem very odd to you, but it's me trying to help you out. There's to be no check writing.
Yes, Your Honor.
For 6 months. My understanding, they have all these other apps, or you can go to the bank, get a cashier's check, but there's to be no check writing.
Right, no check writing.
All right, so no check writing for 6 months. There is to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. If there is no issues, then you can probation, you can cease the field visits. All right, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
That's about it, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right.
For giving me this opportunity.
Oh, you're welcome. Probation, is there anything else?
So, yeah.
All right, and I'll recall the warrant if it's still active, which it appears to be because she's in custody. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. Yes.
What makes this case so fascinating is that the judge didn't just hand down punishment, he tried to build a path forward. Instead of focusing only on the crime, the court looked at rehabilitation, employment, education, and whether Leticia had support waiting for her at home. But even with deferred adjudication, this case shows how one financial mistake can follow someone for years and impact future licenses, careers, and opportunities. The judge gave her a second chance, but second chances come with strict conditions. The real question is, do you think the court was being fair, or was this sentence still too lenient for a theft case like this?